Hello, my name is Theo Cedar Jones, and I'm raising funds through Patreon and other sources to finance my travel expenses and income replacement as I work as an emissary for Real Rock, a program I developed to empower local rock bands to create regularly scheduled local band showcases in 25 cities in the Bay Area and Central California. As the leader of the band Swaybone, I have seen firsthand how local bands have suffered in a marketplace where the sales of rock music and its position on the sales charts has been in continuous decline for over 20 years. The system is rigged against the success of local rock bands in many ways. Rock and roll used to have the biggest market share of any form of popular music and was a driving force in local culture, as well as a constantly giving us new bands that were writing great classic songs. No new rock bands have made it to the Billboard 100 charts from the Bay Area in 25 years. Things have declined so badly in rock music that bands and artists are actually losing the ability to write classic original songs that would match the great songs of the past. I've spent my entire adult life pursuing the rock and roll dream, attempting to have a great band and write great classic enduring songs, and to enjoy a fan base large enough to sustain our band financially. For 33 years, I have continued to pursue these goals, but the current system prevents me from doing so. Out of desperation, I see only one way I can change this situation. I will work to create regularly scheduled local band showcases. I will schedule webinars for bands to meet and share strategies and plans to promote and create showcases in their town. I will travel to their town to meet members of local bands and representatives of local clubs and venues where we could host these showcases. I will share and utilize the principles of cooperation and prior unity to empower local bands to work together to uplift the conditions of the live rock music scene in their area. I will publish regular updates to my blog and the Real Rock website about what work I have accomplished and what Real Rock showcases are scheduled, as well as my latest income and expense reports and videos from my travels to meet bands and clubs, as well as documenting the Real Rock shows themselves. My patrons will get first access to video updates of my travels, discounts on merchandise, special giveaways, and exclusive webinars with me. Patrons can come to our live shows and be part of the growing community of people who come to support local bands. Thank you for supporting me in my work as an emissary for Real Rock. And thank you for investing in the improvement of our local rock music scenes.